Imagine a machine that quietly watches everything you do online, then turns that surveillance into over $100 million a day. Most people think Google is just a search engine, but what if I told you it's actually the world's most powerful data refinery, minting fortunes by auctioning your attention to the highest bidder? On the surface, Google is a helpful guide through the chaos of the internet. Type in a question, get an answer. It's fast, free, and seemingly benevolent, just a simple search box powering over 8.5 billion queries every single day. But this convenience is the bait. Behind the friendly interface, Google's true engine is invisible. A sprawling surveillance network capturing every click, search, location ping, and piece of metadata from billions of users. The data you give freely, your desires, fears, routines, becomes the raw material for a global advertising empire. Here's how the money machine works. Google's parent company, Alphabet, generated $224 billion in ad revenue in 2022, over 80% of its total income. The core mechanism is the auction-based ad platform. Every time you search, an AI-driven system runs a split-second auction among hundreds of advertisers desperate for your eyeballs. The winner's ad appears beside your results. Multiply that by billions of searches and millions of advertisers, and you get a perpetual cash printer. Google's cost to deliver each search is minuscule, thanks to custom-built data centers and proprietary AI, while ad margins can soar as high as 60%. Their infrastructure is so powerful that even a tiny increase in click-through rates or ad prices can unlock billions in extra profit overnight. And it's not just search. YouTube, Gmail, Maps, and Android all feed into the same surveillance and auction loop, expanding Google's reach into every corner of digital life. Here's the strategic takeaway. Google isn't just competing with other search engines. It's sitting atop a global information infrastructure that monetizes human attention at scale. The real asset isn't the search algorithm, but the behavioral data and predictive AI that makes advertisers pay more than anywhere else. In a world where data is the new oil, Google is OPEC, quietly controlling the pipelines and setting the price of access to your mind. For entrepreneurs and investors, the lesson is clear. The biggest fortunes are built not by selling products, but by building the rails, digital or physical, that entire industries must pay to use. And as AI deepens Google's grip on personalization and prediction, its profit engine is only getting stronger.